Welcome back to Harris Family Adventures. Today we're exploring the beautiful port of Roatán in Coxen Hole, Honduras. Join us as we walk through the shops, take in a few views, and show you everything this vibrant cruise port has to offer. Let's dive into our Roatán port tour.
Kind of stopped raining a little bit, and now it's starting up again right when I get out. Go do a walk around here.
All right, well, we've been to Honduras.
We're on the MSC World America, and we're in Roatán, Honduras. Let's look back real quick. It's a pretty area. This port was a little underwhelming. Not much there. These guys gotta be tired. They've been playing all day. Okay, to the right here, you can go get a taxi. That's kind of where you load your excursions, that way to the right. Right when you get off. Good spot for pictures. Good look at that ship.
This is what it looked like this morning when we first got off the ship.
It's a big ship. So here's like the typical port store in there. Walk around here a little bit. Upstairs is really just a shop and then a restaurant. Not much up these steps.
Let's go check out the upstairs.
It's the opposite side. So,
on the second level, you will find a few stores, but mostly restaurants.
First store. Here comes the rain again.
That was one way to clear everybody out. In this area, they have a swim-up bar. They have all of your typical port stores, and yes, they do have a Diamonds International. To the right is where you pick up a taxi, and down the hallway there, you'll find additional restrooms. This is another bar called the Monkey Bar. We made a left and we're going to check out the pool area. When you walk up to the pool, it looks like a lazy river, but it is not. The pool is a really nice size, and I'm assuming that it's free. I'm not sure what this area was at one time, but there was no water in this portion of the pool. Let's check out a map of the port. A little history about this port. It opened up in late 2008. It sits on 6.5 acres and it can accommodate up to 3 cruise ships at once, typically 1 docked at the pier and 2 anchored. The cruise lines who use this port are Royal Caribbean, Norwegian Cruise Lines, Celebrity Cruises, MSC Cruises, and Virgin Voyages. This was a very clean port, and it was not crowded with only 1 ship in the port. Unfortunately, the weather has not cooperated at all. There is another restroom to your right. I would have to assume when it's not raining, these cabanas are available for massages.
Yep, definitely a massage area. Let's check this out over here. This is like a bar restaurant over here. Man, we are almost to the end of the port. Let's check this over here. It's a nice little sign. The Blue Parrot. Let's go take a look at the city. More restrooms, I believe, over here. Yep, restrooms right there. Earlier today, there's a guy sleeping right on this boat over here. There are people sleeping in this boat.
Baby, we got the birds to go. I hope you understand.
These people are having some fun. They are having fun. Here's a good look at the city. We went out to the city, tried to walk a little bit down the streets. I'll put some of that in the video. I don't know about that. They swarm you as you walk out the gate of the port. Here's the exit for the taxis. In this area, you can book a third-party excursion. You can find a taxi, or you can exit the port and walk around the city. Come with us. Thank you. We're fine. Okay. We were outside. I'm glad we came outside the port. Thank you. Get ready for this. No, these motorcycles. Get ready. Wow, yeah, people.
A little much.
Yeah. Oh, sorry.
Where are you walking?
We're just walking.
Any taxi today, bud?
Oh, we're fine, thank you. Yeah.
This way, downtown. Welcome to
Yeah.
my beautiful island, my man.
Okay, appreciate it. Yeah, we've been here before. I appreciate it.
Been here before?
Yes, yeah. Yeah, I appreciate it. Thank you. We're good. Thank you. Oh, we're doing good. Okay, I appreciate it. Thank you so much, Kevin. Yeah. Okay.
You can shop with us, Mama. Shop with us.
Guys, yeah, we're going here.
Everything is good price.
Yeah, we'll go back here in a second. Yeah. No, we're fine. We're fine, thank you. Okay. We're good, thank you. Yeah.
Island tour.
Oh, we're fine, thank you.
We've got to be out of our minds.
We're fine. No. I'm fine, thank you. Appreciate it. Yeah, thank you. Thank you. We'll buy a Coke, Heather?
No, absolutely not. I'm going to get out of here. Watch out.
Ready?
What do you think?
Yeah, we got it.
This poor dog. Look at him.
Where?
Wow, that's why I feel bad for him.
Poor doggy. No, we're fine. Thanks. Poor doggy. Watch how much pressure we're gonna get here. Oh wow, poor doggy. Ooh. A lot of dogs. A lot of dogs, right?
No problem.
Wow. Get out of the road, puppy.
Crackle!
Oh, there's some. Remember all the wires? Yeah, look at all them wires.
What you want to buy? Why y'all? Yeah, a bunch of them.
Yeah.
Little French kid.
Chase you in? Tell me.
Excuse me.
Hello, sea bass.
Wow. That was something else.
Want to leave the port? Don't.
Wow.
Don't.
That was some pressure. That's very dangerous.
Yeah.
Yeah, that was interesting. That was interesting going out there.
Live like that. I don't know how to do
I don't know, man. That's scary.
it.
Seeing conditions that we saw makes you thankful for what you've got. Let's continue on with our port tour. We have more to show you.
Okay, and that is the port. Here's another nice spot for photos right there. That's probably the best spot. Get the whole ship in it. That is the port. The rain has picked up again. There is a hurricane, Melissa, near Jamaica, which we might be getting some of the outer bands of it. I don't know, but it's been raining pretty much most of the day. Like we're heading back to the ship. Before we go back to the ship, I want to show you the taxi area. Just go to the monkey bar right here, it's right across from that. Good walking. This has been fun watching everybody scramble with the rain. Okay, rain stopped a little bit. People are still having fun. Let's go back to the ship. We tried to go out of the port, and boy, it was scary. We walked out of the port, and they just surround you, wanting to take you on a taxi cab. And they walk with you and try to convince you the whole way. Let's get back on the ship. All you need is your sail away card is all you need. No ID needed. See the ship one more time. Ooh, here's some thunder. Time to go. These poor guys. Woo! Whoa, there's my umbrella. Wow. Wow, is it windy. Woo.
Our visit to the port of Roatan was memorable, even though it rained almost the entire time. The port itself was easy to navigate, but walking beyond the gates isn't recommended unless you're on a cruise-booked excursion. Despite the weather, we still enjoyed exploring what we could and taking in the unique atmosphere of this beautiful island stop. We're excited to take you along as we continue our adventure to the next destination. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Some of these areas look familiar when we visited this area the first time on the Carnival Jubilee. Check out our videos on that tour. It'll be a good day.